So here is the soldering station. Here's the part number AOYUE2702, and for some reason the soldering iron is damaged. The hot air gun works perfectly fine with this, but the soldering iron is not working. So here's the new soldering holder that I purchased with a new soldering tip, never been used before, and it's connected to my temperature sensor on my multimeter. So like right now it's 24 degrees Celsius. Everything is off. I'm switching this on. You get the startup screen, and I'm turning on the soldering iron. So it shows the temperature for a little bit, and then it goes straight to this, and 0, and this is firmly in. Everything is connected properly, and it just switches on that, and 478 then 406, and during this whole time you can see the actual temperature. So really the temperature on it is steady, like at 82 degrees Celsius, and over here it's showing like 449. I don't know what, 86. It usually starts up fast and then it goes to that. I have really no idea. Then just 387, something's out of whack. 87, 88. So it doesn't really get very hot. It stays at 85 degrees Celsius, which isn't even boiling yet. So that's with the new one. And now I'm switching it out with the old one right now. Now I'm just using the same tip, which is slightly hot, not really that hot, and I'm connecting the old one. So here's the old one that I originally had before buying a new one. See, labeled old. And turning off the soldering iron. I don't even need the airflow right now. I'm just going to connect the electrical. Okay, so this is in, and here's the old. Using the same tip as the other one. Connecting the temperature thing. And now I'm connecting the temperature probe. Temperature probe is connected, and it's 37 degrees. I'm turning on the soldering iron, and here you can see it. The temperature goes up. It says 350. Then it shows this thing again, and while it shows that weird symbol, the temperature is still climbing to 74, 75. Up to 76. Then it shows 380, 419. It's really screwy. And this is Celsius again. So it shows 473, but this is really only 77 and shifting 395. I contrived to change this thing that's inside with the screwdriver. I shifted it all the way to the left right now, and it's 0 flashing. This is stuck at 78, 77. Now it's showing 350. I just disconnected the temperature probe by accident, so I connected it back again, and now it's yeah. So it's not this actual connection, since the old and new have the same results. There must be something, I guess, on board inside here that could be affecting it. And again, it's weird. So I'm going to take my screwdriver and do it all the way to the right and see what changes I get. And it's all the way to the right now. Not helping much. Still stuck at 77, 76, and it's just showing 0.